Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know how we do. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagga bagga and the one I gotta continue getting the daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, you won't miss a thing. But man, people, I really don't know what's going on in the island of Jamaica. You see, as you can look, as you see in the headline, it's not a good look. The disappearance of her mother and her daughter. You see, and according to the article, it's very strange, very weird. According to Nationwide News, a high-level investigation is underway into the disappearance of a woman and her 10-month-old child from Malans Road area of St. Andrew. The woman and her daughter were last seen at about 7:30 on Saturday morning. Nationwide News has confirmed that the child is the daughter of a member of parliament from the corporate area constituency. The child is estranged from the MP. It's alleged that the child's mother told friends she received a phone call from another woman earlier this week. That woman reportedly claimed the MP is also the father of her child. It's understood that the woman agreed to meet at a point in Kingston 10 area to discuss problems both are having with the MP. The woman from Malines Road and her daughter reportedly went to the meeting spot. They have not been seen or heard from since. Wow. This reminds me of the Daniel girl the other day from the school. Yard business. You see, some people know we're encountering this. Putting out a comment section what you have to say about that. I just came across this article and I figured I just share it with Una maybe. Una see something, Una can say something. But let's proceed to the next. Now, because of, I think, some music he's playing in the background, we can't play the music, but you see in the comment section, the people them is reacting to what he's saying. Basically, I can't believe said the man them, the thugs them, really let fish for our wedding and come doodle up the water. You see, so, yeah, so as you can see, Bobby said he was a batty boy in a jam rock. You see, so, but basically, people, I think he's on a reality show. I'm not too sure, but they look like say them was filming content down there. You know what I mean? So them did that look up viral, but no man did that rub him up on the river. It was a girl, but as you can see, Bobby said him now ramping a straight boy who want to play with him because him now ramping with people. Oh, not like fish and all of them things. As you can see him comment right there. And some people say, lucky him not down another deep ghetto with him, but I really scale fish and all of this stuff. But just to give you an update, we're going for that to go and put in the comment section. What do you think about that? You see, because times have changed in Jamaica, but then again, at the Bible, make people not like to fish them specifically in Jamaica. Yeah, let's proceed to the next. Because the fish them out and net, pan the net, cause havoc. You see, as you can see, Blueface is here denying the rumors that's circulating that he was, in bed with another man and things. You see, people swear say Blueface because tattoos X, Y, and Z that's there and not there. But him say he's not planning on suing the LGBT community. He just wants them to hold, the ones that's doing wrong accountable. You see, and this is the official DM messages between him and Homeboy. Well, Homeboy by himself, because the Homeboy, they put out some DMs, but it wasn't Blueface page. So that's like giving that update while going for not to go on. You see, put in the comment section what you think about that, because people is saying since him no one, use Christian no more for clout or whatever, them draw for this. You see me, I say, I don't know if that's true, but he's promoting, new music with his baby moms, well, his first baby moms. You see me, I say, yeah. But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, it look like Sir Bambi is responding to Spice again over this giraffe thing. You see me, I say, it look like she was upset when, she was called a giraffe on the show. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But now she looked like she's embracing it. You know what I mean? Unlike Spice, who's not embracing the blue monkey name given to her by Bitch, aka Erica. Boy, oh boy. One bag and I want, because I Tokyo, I respond to Spice. But nevertheless, you can see Bambi pinned this giraffe post specifically. She made June 8th, but she pinned it. IG lets you pin stuff now. You see me, I say, and the post goes like this. It's definitely giraffe season. You see me, I say. The caption haven't been edited, but as you can see, she's responding to comments as of 2 days ago. People saying they don't understand Joe and, they can't break the unbreakable and all of this stuff. You see me, I say. And, saying smart ladies, playing it big and be quiet no more and all of this stuff. And I can't read it for itself, but obviously, a Spice she respond to when she pinned it, as of 2 days ago, you said. Now, Spice, former castmate, I don't really keep up with these shows, but it looked like, say, she had thrown somewhere that Spice too. As you can see by the caption, it says, yeah, the caption said, chill, he always trying to show everybody, he black. You see me? I said, yeah, boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting out a comment section what you think about that. Because she posted that after, the thing with, Spice and Eric and the Blue Monkey thing. And, Spice, was saying she triggered by racism and classism, colorism, and all of these stuff. You know what I mean? But the people that me saying Spice is a hypocrite, as you can see in the comment section. This person said, who remembers when Tokyo called Spice a Bitch and Spice said, I don't like that word. You feel me? Because, Spice did be up Erica May in at the airport and boy, oh boy, oh boy. And the Americans are definitely using this opportunity to group together to diss up the Jamaicans. Because you don't know how the thing said. And this person says, so Spice don't like Tokyo calling her BIT. But no, she using the word BIT often. You see me, I say, boy. It look like everybody is taking the opportunity to take a jab at Spice. You see me, I say, I'm not sure how long Spice plans to be on Love and Hip Hop. In my opinion, she doesn't need it because she's one richer than most of the people on set. You see me, I say, she's done an icon and a Fiago, Island and all of this stuff, so only Spice knows what she had. You see me, I guess she's loving the exposure. You see me, that's the only thing I see. She's benefiting from it, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's proceed to the next. And now, before we proceed to the next topic, I know most of you is not subscribed to my Credible Boys channel, and you're missing out on a lot of updates. You see me, I say, I wanted to, why for brief, but talk about JB. He pled guilty for doing the unthinkable to his daughter. The people them say it's his blood daughter. Some people say, I'm there with a woman, child. It doesn't matter, you know what I mean? He still did the unthinkable to a human being and, someone who's a minor. You feel me? And it's not a good look. I don't care if he helped a lot of Jamaicans to cross the border and, be in America legitly. The good not outweighing the bad. This said it's not going to work in this scenario, you know what I mean? And we need to expose more of these people doing these heinous acts on children. You see me, I say, so swing over there to say Wagwan, he pled guilty, he's doing 15 years, and that's about it. You see me, I say, as well as, I acting exposing Malidan as a raper for himself. Because, him never get caught up in a medic thing, and him and I can a beef. You see me, I say. But we're gonna swing over to the Credible Boss channel to check that out. So let's proceed to the next.
Share the live. You shot them forward in a long day this morning. Foot just jump on the line. The live.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, man, I like to interview them Haitian, yeah, because me know said Jamaica was not them destination as far as wind, sent them in a different direction. But as you can see, approximately 6 a.m. on Saturday, a vessel containing 36 individuals, Haitian origin, arrived at Long Bay in Portland. Among the passengers were 18 adult males, 9 females, and 9 children. Semi people. But anyway, man, I got long on this no longer. Just that I giving them quick update while I go on for not to go on. You see, man, I said don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.